Well, what you just saw was pancakes prepared by yours truly. I'm Kai from Pyro Kai, and my favorite kind of pancakes is where the edges are crispy and the center is dense, just like I like my chocolate chip cookies. Now, I'm gonna invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy the cooking process. And afterwards, I'm gonna tell you a story between pancakes and I. Enjoy. Hi. Flowers. Just kidding. Sugar. Salt. One, two, three. Too sticky. Guys, I hope that really moved you. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I just want to tell you how I acquired this recipe. I actually got it from my dad. This recipe is actually one of the things that he gave me before he left my mother and I. I'm kidding. Well, not really, but the story's there. Here's the thing though, despite everything, I did tell him as an adult, my favorite childhood memory of him is the Mickey Mouse pancakes he used to make me, and here it is. Now, I did make a slight adjustment to the recipe because I wanted to make it a teensy bit healthier since I do eat it so often, and I would still like to keep the jawline so you get the story. Okay, so take my recipe, modify it, because when it comes to comfort food, you need to find that one ingredient that hits the spot for you. For me, you can put a $300 bottle of maple syrup filled with gold flakes and healing powders. Doesn't matter. Wouldn't do anything for me. But Aunt Jemima is everything, and it'll always hit the spot for me. So what I'm trying to say is, know that one magical ingredient that'll make your pancake the ultimate experience for someone, even yourself, to enjoy. Because sometimes, yes, quality of food and the ingredient matters, but memory. The memory one ingredient can bring is so powerful, and this is the case. So experiment with the recipe and enjoy making it. I know pancake exists throughout the world, many names, different form and texture, but even Chinese people have a pancake where they sprinkle sugar on top, and just grab it by a handful and you just have it like that. So let me know if this recipe turned out for you. Real talk though, if there are recipes that you like to see me do, leave it in the comment below. Any words of encouragement, or if you like to share me with the world, go ahead and spread the fire. Share me with your second wife, third husband, partner's partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, second cousin. Let me shine. Let me serve you. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.